Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 7. So today we will talk about turning potato, turning vegetables, and so basically turning meaning giving a nice shape out of a small egg shape. You can choose the potatoes that are already about the size that you would like to achieve, or then if you don't have the small one, you take the bigger one and then you need to cut them. So you cut both sides, top and the bottom, and then you hold your potato between your thumb and the two fingers above. And then you give a nice turning shape. That's why it's called turning potatoes. Of course, you will have a nice sharp knife. That's very important, otherwise it's difficult to turn. And then your potato on the end should have something like 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you have a big potato, then you need to cut them. They need to be cut about the same height still. And then you can make 2 in one. Same thing again, same movement. Top to bottom. So you can see they have all the same shape. That's what we're looking for. Very important, a good sharp knife. Otherwise, you will have a lot of difficulties to make a nice shape. Thank you.